Alright guys, so I do want to come on in and do a quick unboxing and review on my new desktop speakers. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for reviews, so go ahead and take a look at them. So I'll probably be adding these either to my laptop or to my desktop, but we'll test out the sound either way. Those are cool. Look at that. Those are nice. Alright. Check out the other one. And I just wanted to show on here, it does have some buttons up here as well. So you get this cable right here, Type C, auxiliary, and then the user manual. And then you also get the power cable for them. All right, so first we'll go ahead and plug these in to each speaker. Clicks in just like that. Same thing on this one. And then we'll get the power. I have the spot right there. And then on mine, we'll probably end up using the auxiliary first and then see how it sounds. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. All right, as you can see, I got them hooked up. They got these very cool LEDs. It did recognize the second that they turned on that it was a line in. So let's go ahead and actually just test it out. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put it up.
Hey, this is Reverend coming to you live from the Comedy Mothership here.
As you can see, even this for a podcast sounds very, very good. So let's go ahead and actually try out some music and see how that sounds. And I did put it all the way up on the computer. And I'll go ahead and try some music. Put it all the way up. So as you can see, even for music, sounds very cool. And I don't know if you noticed, you can actually change the LEDs so to off, and then it has these two options right here. See if we can get it hooked up to our iPad here.
Bluetooth mode.
There we go. All right, it says right here D1. There we go. So let's try it out on here. All right, now we got some music on here. Let's go ahead and actually play it. So as you can see, even on that bass heavy music, it still comes out very clear. All right, and then I'll show just one more option on here. If you like watching like some gamers on here, we'll just pick this one.
Tempting. Tempting. Let's just move these over here. Oh! That's got it. Trick shots. Let's see.
So again, as you can see, these will work for just about anything that you're looking for. It doesn't even have to be for a laptop, it could be for a desktop, your iPad. You can, as long as you got power to them, you're gonna be good to go. So if you guys are looking for some new speakers, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.